welcome back. So today's activity is a photo scavenger hunt. So I have two approaches to this scavenger hunt. One of which is that we can find different items in our environment. So I decided to go outside and that represent shapes that can spell your first name. So my name is Erin, so I would have to find an object that makes the letter E, R, I, and N. So some of those can be a little bit more difficult. But right off the top of what I can see right now is I do have an I. And what I found as an I is this bird feeder. So it kind of makes the shape of an I. Now you can't cheat and use things that already have letters on it. You gotta find things in nature, in your home, that make the shape of a letter and take a picture of it. And then the other option is to take photos of objects that use your five senses. So take a photo of an object that visually, with your sight, is really pretty. Or you can use something that smells really good. Or maybe there's a sound that you really like or a taste. So take a picture of these different objects and senses that you have, and that will be part of your photo hunt. So you can decide which one you would like to do today, or you can do both, and I hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoyed today's activities and that you come back again. Thanks.